All right, let's talk about how you can show numbers in thousands or in millions within Excel. So here we have two numbers. We have 850,000 and 2,300,000. So basically what we want is we want this to display 2.3 M for 2.3 million and this to display 850K for 850,000. So we'll start with this first cell and we'll select it. If you right click and hit Format Cells, this little menu box will appear. Go down to Custom, and where it says General, go ahead and delete that, and we're going to type kind of a custom format here. What we're going to want to do is type, we could do the dollar sign to show that this is $850,000. So dollar sign 0.00, comma, space, quote, capital K, quote. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to take the 850,000 and say, okay, it's going to look for the first comma, which is right in the middle at 850, comma, 000. So it's going to take 850 and then do dot 00 and then put a K after it. So we'll go ahead and hit OK, and we'll notice that that will say 850K. Now, if this was 800, now if we change this to say 850,763 and hit enter, then that's going to say 850.76K. Now, if we want to do this for millions, we'll select the cell, right click, format cells, do the same thing, except for our custom text is going to be a little different. We'll do dollar sign, again 0.00, and then this time we'll do a double comma, space, quote, M, quote. And then we'll go ahead and hit OK, and that's going to display as 2.3 million. Now, if we wanted to get rid of that extra zero, we can go back to Format Cells and remove one of those zeros, hit OK, and then it's going to display as $2.3 million. And there you have it. That's how you can show numbers in thousands or in millions with the K or M in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.